Do you know why Charlie Sheen's house hasn't sold?
Why not? He's got tiger's blood.
That's true. Welcome. I tell you 3 things I like about a property, 3 things I don't like about a property in a short 3-minute video so you can binge watch them after each other. And in today's episode, we are reviewing 140 Aubrey Road, Beverly Hills Post Office, 7-bedroom, 10-bath, 17,584 square foot, and is listed for $20,200,000. That tells me they would take 20 million.
20 million.
That's 200,000 is the amount of discount you're allowed to get.
Room to haggle.
Yeah, there's and well, before I tell you 3 things I love about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely my personal opinion and educational entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. For that, you should contact the listing agent right here. Okay, 3 things I love about this property. The 3rd thing I absolutely love about this property is privacy, and that's important for Charlie Sheen. Why? Because he needs to eat his tiger blood on his pajamas by the pool, throw it all over his face, and no one see it. Okay, and that's important. You will have the same level of privacy if you buy this house, just like Charlie Sheen, and you can do the same crazy stuff. The 2nd thing I absolutely love about this property is that it's in a B-rated gated community. There's nothing to be frowned on. I was a B student myself, okay? But the security at this gated community is pretty damn good. I had a friend who was in the board of association, and he used to tell me their cameras had such a crazy zoom, they could scope out a freaking license plate in a 7-Eleven in Van Nuys from up here, okay? It's really good. The number 1 thing I absolutely love about this property, the lot is fantastic. You have a freaking tennis court. It's a rolling lot. It's not all flat, but it's majestically soft rolling, I would describe it. It has a focal point. You have the mountains on the side, a little panache, and you remember that's not Indian food. That's just, it's got that vibe feeling. And I like this lot. In the area, I like this lot. Now, 3 things I absolutely don't like about this.
Hang on, Aubrey. What does ZipSmart have to say about this property?
According to ZipSmart.ai, there is 38% less demand and 5% more supply. What do you think is going to happen? One is going down, the other one is going up. It's not good. You should be checking the AI forecast for your zip codes. And if you think all these numbers and stuff is too complicated for you, I don't blame you. You don't have to be a real estate geek. Version 3.0 is coming out. I'm simplifying it. Now, 3 things I don't like about this property. Number 3 is finishes. Look, these finishes are just not good. I don't have to tell you that. You already know that. Dark color woods haven't been in since Charlie Sheen was at his prime. So it's just kind of, it's gone down. And the 2nd thing I don't like about this property is the fact that it's north facing. And north facing properties just not going to get that much natural light. And natural light is everything. You can't change that about the property. You want to go see a house, bust out your freaking compass, think like you're camping, you're a kid again, okay? Bust it out, look at it. And that's important because you're going to be dealing with that, and your real estate agent's not going to tell you that. I promise you. The number 1 thing I absolutely don't like about this property, it's that architecturally, it's horrendous. This is a butched job, 1990 Mediterranean. It's the style that has turned me off from Mediterranean style and has had psychological impact on me personally, and I absolutely hate it. This should be prevented and stopped right now. You're like, how? We should go back in time, find the parents of these architects who originally came up with this stupid fake American architectural Mediterranean style, and make sure the parent never met. Now, I don't know how we're gonna do that. We gotta, separate them at some point where you get the point.
Future.
Yeah, we got to do something about it. We should be able to stop it because I think Mediterranean style is absolutely beautiful. I have great videos on it. You can check out some of them over here. Now, if you want me to help you with the pricing of this property, this has been on the market for freaking ages. He hasn't been able to sell it. And I have a pricing strategy on this one. Pretty damn good one. I've been monitoring it to buy it. I just haven't found the perfect buyer for it. So you might be the perfect buyer. Let me know. I would love to help you buy it. And here's my contact information. And if you like this video, you probably like one of these. And click on ZipSmart. Educate yourself. Be aware of what's going on in the real estate market. There are deals to be made if you actually try. Thanks for watching, and get out of here.